So, you never worked out in your life and you want to start. You're tired of being out of shape and being lazy. Maybe this is the year where you start your journey, your fitness journey, to reach your peak physique. But what kind of exercises and workouts? There's so many. Such as dancing, weights, running, jump rope, swimming,
I can't swim.
Please help me.
biking, yoga, martial arts, pole dancing, sports, and of course, innovative equipment.
If you're tired of those expensive gym memberships, if you don't want to leave the house
Hey,
and
wait.
schedule a work,
Am I going to do muscle ups?
introducing the ab dance.
Your ab dance right now, if you want to make a commitment.
Ab dance? This ain't dancing. This is like riding a horse. This should be called horse simulator.
A commitment to yourself to really have a better lifestyle.
Oh, but it gets weirder.
This is not a workout. This is a revolution. This is shake weight for men.
Whew, that's it. Whew, that's it. Whew, that's it.
So apparently these are US former Marines, but I highly doubt that.
Sends a shockwave of energy that forces your so you build definition, size, and strength.
That's it.
And weirder.
This is not an ordinary workout. This is not boring. This you will not soon forget. The free flexor works your muscles at every angle, in every direction. It proves the theory of circular strength technology. The flexing weights at each end rotate with enough force to make your muscles contract as many as 300 times per minute. That's it. Weights at each end, you can create unlimited torque, unlimited tension that will make your muscles cry.
Yeah, it's burning my whole. And again with the former Marine, like they're gonna use it in combat or something.
Definitely, it's a different kind of exercise. I've never felt anything like that. Once you start getting that momentum swinging, it starts to go deep. Deep. You can feel it. Gonna have to switch arms now.
That's it.
There we go. Former pro athlete, much better, and personal trainer. Is he gonna use this on his female clients? Or male clients?
Sculpt your chest and shoulders and light your forearms on fire. That's it.
Okay, last one, I promise.
That's it.
Okay, we'll get right into the workouts. So you need a simple and basic workout routine this year to help you get you started. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, this is a perfect beginner workout for everybody. But I know what you're thinking. Bob, I can't even do one pull-up. And my arms are too weak to do dips. And I don't have enough strength in my core to do leg lifts. No problem. Here are 4 easy exercises for the whole body. Number 1, inverted rows. So you want to get down to a position just like this, body straight, and to start pulling through your chest. Inhale going up and exhale going down. And if you want to make the workout easier or harder, it just depends how low you are from the bar. You guys can also try this variation, which makes it much easier. And if you don't have any equipment, you can just use 2 chairs and slap a broom, or if you have a kitchen aisle, slap a broom there too. Just make sure whatever you're using will support your weight, so you don't get hurt. Number 2, incline push-ups. So these are opposite to the inverted rows. We're going to put ourselves in a push-up position. Keep your elbows in, go down to your chest, and keep your core tight the entire movement. Inhale going down, and exhale going up. This is great because as you get stronger, you can lower the incline until you can get to regular push-ups. And if that's too hard, you can also do them on the wall. For number 3, we have incline planks. Same thing like the push-up position, but you're just going to put your elbows instead. You're gonna keep your core tight and squeeze your butt forward and hold for time. And same thing with the push-up. You can slowly decrease the incline until you're in a regular plank position. Number 4, assisted box squat. So for this, you're just gonna practice sitting down, or half squats, if you will. And again, you can change your range of motion just by having a taller or shorter object behind you. And once you get down to 90 degrees, you should practice full body squats. Inhale going down and exhale going up. Yeah, you can definitely tell I do a lot of these. So this is going to be a full body circuit workout, meaning when you do the first exercise, you're going to move immediately to the next one, and next one. So first we got inverted rows and the incline push-ups for 10 to 15 reps. Then move on to incline plank, max hold, then assisted box squats for 20 to 25 reps. You want to do this workout 3 times with rest of 3 to 5 minutes in between. And these workouts could be done pretty much anywhere. You're welcome. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.